In today's tutorial, we're going to create this professional dynamic sales and target performance dashboard in just 2 minutes using Google Gemini AI. As you can see, we have a raw sales dataset containing sales transactions, targets, regions, products, and performance details. Using this dataset, Gemini AI will automatically generate a complete interactive dashboard within seconds. First, open Google Chrome and search for Gemini AI. Open the website, and once the chat interface appears, switch to Canvas mode for advanced dashboard generation, and set 3.1 Pro mode for advanced maths and code. We've already provided the master prompt in the video description. Simply copy the prompt and paste it into the chat box. Next, provide your sales dataset. Simply upload the Excel or CSV file. You can either paste the entire dataset, or, if your data contains sensitive information, don't worry. You can also provide only the column headers or a small sample of the dataset. Gemini AI can still understand the data structure and generate a professional dashboard. Within a few seconds, Gemini AI analyzes the dataset and automatically creates a complete sales and target performance dashboard. Pretty impressive, right? Once the dashboard is generated, click the Download button to save the HTML dashboard to your computer. Now open the downloaded HTML file in your web browser. And here's the final result. Switch to full screen mode and reduce zoom level using Ctrl plus press minus. For better view dashboard in single screen, Gemini AI creates a modern, professional dashboard with interactive KPI cards, charts, filters, and AI-generated business insights, all based on your sales data. You can analyze sales performance, target achievement, regional performance, product-wise sales, monthly trends, top-performing categories, and other key business metrics from a single dashboard. And that's it! In just 2 minutes, you've created a fully interactive, AI-powered sales and target performance dashboard using Google Gemini AI. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to vizspire AI for more AI automation tutorials.